We need more money to plan for the second pandemic. There's going to be another pandemic.
When the next pandemic comes knocking, and it will, we must be ready to answer decisively.
COVID-23 has mutated.
The best way to prevent new variants from emerging is by stopping transmission of the virus altogether. If we remain vigilant about social distancing.
Well, it turns out these radical measures we've been living through are exactly Bill's plan. In a blog post, Bill writes, quote, "Imagine a scenario like this. A concerning outbreak is rapidly identified by local public health agencies. If a threat is detected, governments sound the alarm and initiate public recommendations for travel, social distancing, and emergency planning. They start using the blunt tools that are already on hand, such as quarantines."
All infected Americans are being forced into quarantine camps.
In our country, that would be Blacks and Native Americans, people with underlying health conditions, and the elderly. Here in the United States, really, it's going to be Black people who really should get it first.
It is going to be true in every community across this state and across this nation. You tell me the zip codes that have the predominantly minority community. You tell me.
Welcome to the 2020 census.
The zip codes that have the predominantly minority community, lower income community. I will tell you the communities where you're going to have a higher positive and you're going to have increased spread and you're going to have increased hospitalization.
Trying to get that data from the states. Not all states have it and have it in a way that we can use it.
Welcome to the 2020 census. This video will introduce you to the 2020 census.
But if we can use that data, then we know to say, okay, this is where we need to make sure we apply the resources and, quite honestly, apply the vaccine. Here in the United States, really, it's going to be Black people who really should get it first.
When you visit my2020census.gov, you will log in using the census ID from the materials that were mailed to you or left at your door. We will ask you to confirm your address.
You tell me the zip codes that have the predominantly minority community.
We will ask each person about their sex, date of birth and age, Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish origin, and race.
Now, I've heard you talk about disaggregating data. Tell us why that's important and how that can help bring solutions to the right population.
It is going to be true in every community across this state and across this nation. You tell me the zip codes that have the predominantly minority community, lower income community.
I will tell you the communities